हम तुम्हें याद दिलाने आए हैं। We have come to remind you. We have come to remind you. मुझे पता था कि तुम आओगे। I knew that you would come. I knew that you would come. पिताजी कहा करते थे। Father used to say. Father used to say. तुम मुझे कभी नहीं ढूंढ पाओगे। You would never be able to find me. You would never be able to find me. लेकिन मुझे पता था। But I was sure. But I was sure. तुम मुझे ढूंढ लोगे। You would find me. You would find me. तुम मुझे अकेला नहीं छोड़ोगे। You will not leave me alone. You will not leave me alone. उसने मेरे 100 रुपये खर्च कर दिए। He spent my 100 rupees. He spent my 100 rupees. मैं उसकी टांगें तोड़ दूंगा। I will break his legs. I will break his legs. तुम यहाँ दोबारा वापस आ गए। You came back here again. You came back here again. मैं यहाँ एक ग्राहक की तरह हूँ। I am here as a customer. I am here as a customer. मुझे चाबी दो। Give me key. Give me key. मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ। I am talking to you. I am talking to you. समाज में क्या हो रहा है? What is happening in the society? What is happening in the society? कानून कहता है। Law says. Law says. वह इस गांव के इज्जतदार आदमी हैं। He is respected man in the village. He is respected man in the village. ये तुम्हारा फर्ज है। It's your duty. It's your duty. मेरी मानो और वापस जाओ। Take my advice and go back. Take my advice and go back. मैं वापस कैसे जा सकता हूँ? How can I go back? How can I go back? फ़ोन पर किसी से बात मत करो। Don't talk to anyone on a phone. Don't talk to anyone on a phone. अब मैं मुद्दे पर आता हूँ। Now come to the point. Now come to the point. क्या आप शादी रुकवाने आओगी? Will you come to stop the wedding? Will you come to stop the wedding? मुझे कमिश्नर से बात करनी पड़ेगी। I will have to talk to the commissioner. I will have to talk to the commissioner. सबको सब कुछ मिलना चाहिए। Everyone should get everything. Everyone should get everything. यह शादी सबके लिए यादगार होनी चाहिए। This wedding should become memorable for everyone. This wedding should become memorable for everyone. तुम यहाँ वर्दी पहनकर आई हो। You are here in your uniform. You are here in your uniform. तुम अपनी फैमिली नहीं लेकर आई। You did not get your family. You did not get your family. मुझे आपसे बात करनी है। I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. तुम दाल क्यों डाल रहे हो? Why are you serving lentils? Why are you serving lentils? हमें गोश्त चाहिए। We want chicken. We want chicken. अगर तुम दोबारा चिल्लाओगे, if you will shout again, if you will shout again, मैं इससे तेज चाटा मारूंगा। I will slap you harder than this. I will slap you harder than this. हम पुलिस की वजह से टेंशन में हैं। We are worried about the police. We are worried about the police. दाल चावल कौन खाएगा? Who will eat lentils and rice? Who will eat lentils and rice? मुझ पे हमला क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you attacking me? Why are you attacking me? मैंने सुना है कि तुम्हारा बेटा बहुत ताकतवर है। I heard that your son is very strong. I heard that your son is very strong. आज इसकी ताकत को क्या हुआ? What happened to his power today? What happened to his power today? हमने आज बचा लिया। We saved you today. We saved you today. लेकिन तुम मारे भी जा सकते हो। But you can get killed. But you can get killed. मैं तुम्हें अगली बार से नहीं बचाऊंगा। I will not save you from the next time. I will not save you from the next time. तुम मुझे जानते नहीं हो। You don't know me. You don't know me. तुमने बस उसे चेतावनी क्यों दी? Why did you just warn him? Why did you just warn him? तुम्हें उसे मार देना चाहिए था। You should have killed him. You should have killed him. अगर वह इसके बाद नहीं रुका, if he didn't stop after this, if he didn't stop after this, मैं वही करूँगा जो तुम चाहते हो। I will do what you want. I will do what you want. हर चीज़ का एक समय होता है। There is always a right time to do anything. There is always a right time to do anything. तुम्हें पता है ये किसने किया? Do you know who did this? Do you know who did this? उनसे तुम्हें दिक्कत क्या है? What is their problem with you? What is their problem with you? तुम अब क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking now? What are you thinking now? अपनी ताकत दिखा दो उसे। Show him your power. Show him your power. जब मैंने कहा था तब तुमने ये नहीं लिया। When I asked you did not take it. When asked you did not take it. तुम मूर्ख हो। You are fool. You are fool. मैं तुम्हें मार दूंगा। I will kill you. I will kill you. तुम क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? मेरी बंदूक कहाँ है? Where is my rifle? Where is my rifle? मुझे नहीं पता। I don't know. I don't know. तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? मैं दुबई जाना चाहता हूँ। I want to go दुबई। I want to go दुबई। तुम दुबई में क्या करोगे? What will you do in दुबई? What will you do in दुबई? मैं दुबई में बुर्ज खलीफा देखूंगा। I will see बुर्ज खलीफा in दुबई। I will see बुर्ज खलीफा in दुबई। क्या तुम प्लेन में जाओगे? Will you go by plane? Will you go by plane? नहीं, मैं बस से जाऊंगा। No, I will go by bus. No, I will go by bus. तुम पूछ क्या रहे हो? What are you asking? What are you asking? बिल्कुल मैं प्लेन से ही जाऊंगा। Obviously I will go by plane. Obviously I will go by plane. ठीक है, जाओ और मज़े करो। Okay, go and have fun. Okay, go and have fun.